Neil Carlson, now here in Winger, which is about 50 miles east and 10 miles south of Grand Forks, straight south of Erskine. See a yard here, branches all over. A family out there picking them up. We'll drive down the street over here. Apparently a roof got tagged, or part of it blew off down over here. Fella out with a chainsaw getting ready to clean up some damage. Trees down all over. This is right on the west edge of town, which would have caught the brunt of it. And here's where they lost some metal sheeting off a roof, I believe. Branches down all over. We'll just tool around town here a little bit and show you what's going on. And just outside of town here, there's power outages all over the region. Wild Rice Electric was picking up several lines. It looked like lines were down for about a half mile. Got an old tree here just cracked off. No word on exactly how strong the winds were here, but the weather warning, that alert that came out this morning, was warning of 80 mile an hour winds headed into this area. I think that was about 4:50 this morning that warning went out. Take a look down here on the other end of town. Okay, here we're going to turn around. I'm going to show you something here. Got a power line and tree pulled over. It's a big problem around here, power lines. Check out that power line there. Power pole tipped on its side. They're all over the area. There are power companies out working on that problem. Quite of a big stretch of power went out all around this area of southeastern Polk County. We'll go back up around the block the other way. Branches all over town down, little ones, and some big trees snapped off. There's a main street of Winger. Again, more trees and branches all over. There's a pretty good size tree snapped off over here on the right. I'm just going to show you this. This is Memorial Park in downtown Winger. Big messes to clean up all over town. Get out of his way here. Okay. Well, that's a look around Winger. Lots of storm damage all over the getting into eastern Polk County here. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.